next door. All of this will go next door, so it'll pretty much empty everything. Tomorrow, we'll be taking the innovative parts or innovative materials. And we'll be taking the material, the consignment cabinets. We'll be actually making sure that they are stocked the way we want them, labeled the way we want them, and then moving those next door. That time I think the walls will be pretty much empty. Then we're going to start taking down the detail area. That'll probably be, so tomorrow is what, Tuesday?
Yeah.
So that'll be the end of Tuesday / beginning of Wednesday. We'll be taking the detail area down, and then we'll start taking the wall down. Wednesday, Thursday we'll be taking the walls down. So everything that's attached to the wall we'll be taking off. We'll also start taking the tape up, and then the electrician comes in. He'll run all his wiring. After the wiring is done, then we'll hang up the walls.